queen. So today we're going to be reviving my 6-year-old weave. We're going to start by pouring hot water and we're going to be using Pantene shampoo. So I used the comb to stay and press on it, so just because I couldn't put my hands inside the hot water. Look how dirty it is, my beauty queens. Now I'm gonna go in with cold clean water. You're gonna rinse it off until the water becomes clear. After rinsing it off, I'm gonna go in with my TRESEMME co-wash and Pantene conditioner. And now I'm gonna soak it inside a plastic and pour hot water in the basin, and I cover it up with a towel so it can get more steam. Going back in with my shampoo to make sure it's proper. And now I'm gonna let it sit there for 2 minutes at least. Continue to rinse it until the water is clear. And now that we're done with the washing and rinsing, we're gonna start detangling the hair. So as you can see, I am using my hands to detangle because it was falling off when I was using the comb. But now that I laid it down, I feel like it's easier and it's not falling off anymore. It's time to iron the hair, so I feel like using this iron is better than using a straightener, because here we're actually working on loose bundles, so I feel like it's easier for me to use this iron. I feel like using this iron is much better than using an actual straightener because the hair is laid down and we're talking about loose bundles, not a wig. So if it's a wig that you are treating, then you can use your straightener obviously. We are done. That is the final result, and my beauty queens, I am also stunned. Just look at that, it looks brand new. I mean, I am also stunned, to be honest. So soft and fresh. I mean, what? It feels new. That's pretty much it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell down below, and comment how you feel about this video. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Ciao!